Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our second science lesson from home. Now, I hope you did all right last week with our weather diary because we're going to be doing a bit more of it today. Now, on your workbook that looks something like this that I've got up here on the screen, we're going to be going down to the one here that says week 6. So you'll have to turn your page to the one that says term 3, week 6. That's actually what we're going to be doing today. Okay. Now we're keeping a weather diary each day for the next several lessons. So we'll get the hang of this, and I'll once again do one with you just in case you've forgotten how. So with this weather journal for today, you're going to have to start out with your weather symbol. You're pretty good at that, so you have to go outside, look at the weather, and if it's a very cloudy day, you draw some symbols for a cloudy day. If it was a rainy day, you might draw a rainy symbol. Okay? Whatever the weather is where you are, and depending on what time of the day you do it at, the weather could change. Like in the morning, it might be rainy, but if you do science in the afternoon, it could be sunny. So you draw your symbol there. Okay, and after you've done that, I want you to write your description here. So for your description, if it's rainy, you can just write rainy. Or if it's just a tiny bit of rain, you might remember your science word, which is showers. Okay, ask your mum and dad if you need some help spelling it, but you can do that now. You've done that a few times. But there is a new part. Now today we have two new bits that we also need to do in our weather journal. One is called the temperature. We're going to start learning about that today. And the other one is the clothes for the day. Okay, now for today, you're going to need the help of a grown-up for this temperature part. You need to get them to tell you what the temperature is. Now I'm going to tell the temperature for today, but I'm actually recording this on Monday, so it's going to be different when you do this. When you're watching this video, the temperature could be different. So I'm going to go in and find the temperature for today. Okay, so I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to type in weather. And you can actually see here, boys and girls, the temperature for today. At the moment, it's partly cloudy, and you can see there's a weather symbol there of the sun with a little bit of cloud, but not too much. And we also have this here is the temperature. Now it's 13. Now 13 actually means that it's pretty cool. It's a cool day. Okay, and you notice that after the 13, there's this little tiny circle with the letter C. Okay, that actually means 13 degrees Celsius. We have to do that, and I'll show you how. So for me, it's 13, but it might be different for you. So check with your mum or dad. Check what the weather is when you do your science. Okay, now I'll go in here and I will write 13 down for my temperature. So I'm going to just put a 13. Okay, and I need to put this little circle up above it here. That little circle means degrees. Okay, because if I just wrote the number 13, then what does it mean? What is it 13 elephants? I mean 13 giraffes? No, it's 13 degrees, and then we can put the Celsius after it. Okay, 13 degrees, you could just put like that. 13 degrees Celsius. Okay, right, just like that. I might actually do it the same way. Yeah, they've got it there. So 13 degrees, the little circle, and then a C for Celsius. All right. Now in Australia, when we talk about temperature, we talk about it in degrees Celsius. So we'll do the circle and the C. Now, because it's a cool day today, what type of clothes would I wear on a day like this? Maybe should I draw some swimmers? No, I don't think it's a good day for swimming today. I'd be freezing. Okay, I don't think I'd wear a singlet today. I actually think I need a jumper. So I'm going to draw a jumper here. So let's see here. I'll draw a little bit of a long sleeve jumper and Drawing clothes is a little bit tricky, so if you get a bit stuck, don't worry. Just do the best you can. There's my jumper. Okay, long sleeve jumper there. Might add a little bit of extra there and make these sleeves a little bit warmer. There we go. There's my long sleeve jumper. All right, and should I wear shorts today? No, I don't think so. I think I would be way too cold in shorts. I think I need long pants as well. So I'm going to draw some long pants to help keep me warm. Now it's not freezing. I'm not going to need a beanie or anything like that, or really, really woolly warm clothes, but it is cool. So that's what I'm going to put for my part of my weather journal. So I'd have my partly cloudy symbol here. Then I'd write partly cloudy, and I'd have 13 degrees Celsius. And the clothes, my clothes I'd wear on a cool day like today. Okay, so once you've done that, that's your weather journal done. Now we've got one more activity for today though. Okay, I'm going to switch over to it now. Here it is. Okay, if you go to the next page, we can see this cloud cover which you did last week. But then this week we've got one here. Now I'll read this out to you and I'll show you what we need to do. Okay, it says, discuss with someone at home about the meaning of hot, warm, cool, and cold. Okay, these are all, they're all temperature words. Okay, and we have to color in one side of the thermometer a color that may match that temperature. On the other side, draw a picture of what clothes you may wear on a hot, warm, cool, or cold day. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this activity. This big thing here is called a thermometer, and I've actually got a thermometer that we're going to be using in an experiment next week. Okay, but thermometers tell us the temperature. Okay, we can use them to tell us the temperature. But for now, we're going to use this as just to make sure we really understand these different words. Okay, so I'm going to go back into here and I'm going to draw on this so I can show you how to do it. Okay, so hot, for example, it's got the word hot there. Now, what color would be a good color for hot? I reckon if something's really hot, I might color it in red. So I'm going to color in this side red. Now you can color this in nice and neat. I'm just doing this on my computer here. So you guys can color that in nice and neat. And I'll color it in red all the way right around. There we go. All right, so red for hot. Okay. Now, there we go. That's all red. And on this side, I have to draw what clothes I would wear on a hot day. On a really hot day, I might wear a singlet. Let's see. I'll just draw a little singlet, which have just a little arms. There we go. There's my singlet. Yep. And I could wear just some shorts, probably. I could wear swimmers. I could put swimmers there. On a hot day, maybe I would go swimming, actually. So you could put some swimmers there. You could choose. I'll let you pick. But then, after you've done for a hot day, what would you wear on a day that's just nice and warm? On a nice warm day, I would just wear a t-shirt. Okay, so I'm going to put a t-shirt there. There we go. And then I have to think of a warm color. What color would be warm? Good question. I think a warm color, maybe orange? But then I'm going to let you do the rest of this on your own. Okay, afterwards you've got to do a cool color. So not a freezing color, but a cool color, maybe like a green or something. And then what clothes would you wear on a cool day? And then at the bottom, you have to do a cold color, a really cold color. Think of the coldest color you can think of, and then put what clothes you would wear on a really, really cold day. I'm thinking I might need to put a beanie in there or something, or a big woolen hoodie or something. You get to choose. But once you've done this activity, boys and girls, and you've done your weather diary, that's all you need to do for your science for today. So it shouldn't take you too long. Really, we're just looking at about half an hour. I'd like you to take a little bit of care with your pictures. Do them in grey lead, because if you make a mistake, just rub them out and try them again. It takes practice. This is all practicing activity. Okay? So do your best, make it nice and neat, and then next week I will have the next lesson for you, which we're actually going to be doing an experiment with some thermometers, and I'm going to film that for you. And if you have a thermometer at home, you might even be able to join in. All right, boys and girls, have fun and enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.